Spring is just around the corner and it's time to refresh your wardrobe. Say goodbye to the heavy layers of winter and hello to light fabrics and colors. In this video, I will guide you through some simple steps to rejuvenate your wardrobe for the season ahead. Remember, capsule wardrobe is all about versatility and cohesion, so choose pieces that can be mixed and matched together effortlessly, and I have some pieces that I would love to show you in this video. For spring, incorporate light colors and breathable fabrics into your wardrobe. Opt for some pastel light pinks, blues and whites that evoke freshness of the season. These colors will not only brighten your outfits but also keep you cool on warmer days. I've got a few blouses and shirts here for the upcoming season that would create a perfect spring ensemble. I have this absolutely stunning oatmeal blouse. It's made of a very light and very breathable fabric, and I absolutely love it. And because of its very simple design, when mix and match properly, you will get a perfect, very classic, very elegant old money style. Basically, you can pair it with a pair of shorts and a brown belt with a pair of tailored trousers. You know the drill. The second one, I have this light pink blouse. It's made of very breathable light satin, and I really like this very subtle detail here. You can pair it with a skirt, like pleated skirt, or a pair of shorts, or maybe with jeans to create more casual look. But because of the fabric, you will get this very elegant, very put together kind of outfit, which I absolutely love. Next on my list is this blue, very simple linen shirt, and this is basically a staple piece for your summer spring wardrobe, because first of all, the fabric is so breathable. It will keep you cool during hot spring days, and actually it's like a perfect piece for spring because you can create very casual outfits using denim skirts and a pair of jeans, or if you want to lift up the look, just get a pair of tailored trousers or a pair of nice white shirts and it will do the trick. Dresses are springtime staples, offering effortless style and comfort. Look for dresses in light fabrics like cotton or linen and consider versatile silhouettes that can be dressed up and down. A floral print dress adds a playful touch to your wardrobe, while a simple white dress can be dressed up with accessories for a more polished look. I simply prefer white dresses over floral ones because you can add a nice blazer on top and some accessories to get a completely different look and play with it like a blank canvas, which I absolutely adore. And it's a perfect addition to the capsule wardrobe because there are so many ways you can wear a white dress. No spring wardrobe is complete without the right footwear. Consider adding a pair of classic loafers for chic and comfortable option, perfect for both casual and semi-formal occasions. Mary Jane shoes are another versatile option and choice that adds a touch of femininity to any outfit, or you can opt for some classic low-heeled pumps. That is always a perfect choice to create this effortless, put together and very elegant look. Now that you've added new pieces to your capsule wardrobe, it's time to mix and match them to create a perfect and stylish outfit for any occasion. There you have it, a refreshed capsule wardrobe ready for spring with light colors, breathable fabrics, essential footwear and versatile dresses. You'll be stepping into the new season with style and confidence. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.